Week 3, Azita and Shadow's journey after the Altadena wildfire. We are in Lake Murray, or Maury, whatever, how do you want to say it, in San Diego, California. Loved nature. I wouldn't, thank God I became athlete at the age of 19 after my car accident. God prepared me for today, because if I couldn't relate to nature and I was on medicine and drugs, I couldn't feel, I couldn't stand the pain that I feel in my heart. And because of Shadow and all the dogs that I had throughout my life, they saved my life. And as much as I thought I saved their life, they saved my life from depression, anxiety, and all the bad things and good things that they were part of. And this is chapter 3, actually. Chapter 1 in Iran, chapter 2 coming here after revolution. And there are a lot of mini chapters, but this chapter is one of the biggest chapters. I don't think anybody can wake up one day, realize everything and anything they ever made, it went to the fire. Business, home, memory of the parents, everything. So God must be funny. He's testing, and I don't know what is his test this time.